Yeah, so hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, why not hit that subscribe button for me, please? Thank you. So I've got a few questions about this bag. This was a gift from a friend, and at first glance I thought it was just a tactical bag from Amazon, you know. But then I had a closer look, and it's actually from Military Forced. So as it first started out for me axe, me knife, me saw, a few other bits and pieces, and then I realised all these extra pockets. So of course there's pockets there, you have to find things to put into pockets, don't you? So yeah, so I've made it into a survival kit and a tool bag, you know. So look, do you like this bag? I reached out to the guys in Military Forced. That's what it's from. It's a Military Forced bag. They retail at, I think it's 49 bullets anyway. So look, I've got a free one to give away. So stay tuned. Come back at the end of the video and I'll let you know then how you can win it, okay? So I'm actually going to turn the camera down, point it down so you can see all the bits and pieces that I've had, that I've been managed to put in it, okay? So back soon. Have a look now. Bye bye. Oh, look at that. All you little spiders. Anyways, let's change this around, this camera angle around. Yeah, so here we have it, okay. So first of all, it's got a double connection there, you know, just to keep things extra secure. So let's open it here. Let's see what we've got. Paracord. Okay, I've got my knife, my silky saw. Needle and thread. I picked up this, just had to have it. It's a gadget, and I love gadgets. But this is a 5-in-1. It's got a compass. I know north is, sorry, that way. So let's see, does it find north? It is actually finding north. Well, okay, saw thing. This little thing here. I'm sure it's more rubbish than that, you know, but I suppose to get you out of a hole. The fire stick, this will work. This will get you fired on. Yeah, not very great, but anyways. A whistle, always handy to have. And this little thing with various little things, from screwdrivers to little saw, bottle opener, a couple of little nuts and so on. So yeah, so I don't know, it was red, it was impulsive, that's why I bought it. Yeah, but it's nice to know that that's working, isn't it? You should be able to find north or south, but you have to know which direction you are coming in as well. So yeah, so little survival kit there. Now this front pouch is all about fire. That's if I'm stuck for kindling. In Ireland it's wet. I have no qualms about using fire lighters through the winter, you know, and it's like, oh yeah, doing the fire stick and all is great and it's fun and all, but it's like, what time is it? Get the dinner on, you know. So also cotton wool and Vaseline then, yeah. So I think everybody knows about them. They're great, aren't they? I've used them many times. And it's like I say, you know, get the dinner on. No mucking around. Okay, so then there's another little pouch here. So that's my fire steel, the better fire steel that one is. And my canteen knife, my kitchen knife. So that's in there. Okay, so then on this side here, I have tape and I have glue. So what would I need glue for? If any of us don't know, if you cut yourself bad, you can glue the cut back together. Yeah, you can glue it back together. So especially if you're using an axe, you should also have some bandages as well, you know. But this really will, this could save your life. Just glue up the slit and there you go. Okay, so that's why I bring glue with me. All these things I've always had in my backpack anyway, just in various pockets. So now just one place to leave them all, you know. Okay, so then I've got more pockets here. So I have fishing hooks and fishing reel. Okay, or fishing line, sorry, fishing line. Okay, in there. What else? Yeah, and then so there's these other two pockets in here, and then I have that then. That there is oil for looking after me blade and so on. Okay, so that's all of those pockets. Oh, sorry, there's more. I have two sharpening stones, different grit, and I have compound there as well. So you see in there to them. See in there, two grinding stones and compound. Okay, so let's go. I don't think I put anything in here, but there is another pocket here. No, there's nothing in there. So let's go to here. So emergency blanket, vital piece of equipment to have. That's a leather strap for strapping my knife, for sharpening it, my knives or my tools. Some cloths, you know, these microfiber, or not microfiber, I forget what the name of those is. A bandage, and any more goodies in here? No. So that's it. Also, I didn't mention the lighter. This here is cocktail sticks. That used to be plasters. And this, the guy sent me this from Silky. But yeah, now I just keep cocktail sticks in it. Again, it could be the tinder, just enough tinder to get you going, you know. And of course a lighter. Lighters just never let you down. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I'll come back up, I'll change the camera around, and we'll have just a little bit of a chat about those things. Okay, thanks. So what do you think of that, guys? That's some bag, isn't it, to hold all that stuff? Let's count the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and there's actually 6 in that. So that's 20 items plus my axe. That's 21 items in that little bag, isn't it? It's a great little bag. So look, here's how you can win it, and I'll even throw in a couple of our Wild Camping Ireland patches into the bag for you, okay? Here's how you can win it. How will I do it? I suppose the same way I done it the last time. Just say, can I win that bag, please? Yeah, can I have that bag, please? Say please. It's nice to say please. Can I have that bag, please? That's all you have to do. Comment on this video, and we'll run it for a week. I'll pick out, what day is today? It's Tuesday, so I'll pick out a winner next Tuesday then, right? So I'm going to be posting this up now. I've just to edit out. Yeah, so okay, so I'll throw in a couple of those and you'll win one of these bags for yourself. So just say, can I win that bag, please? Okay, it's a military force bag. You'll see it on their website, and yeah, I would recommend it. It's a great piece of kit, you know. So anyways, look, thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that subscribe button that's down there, please, for me if you haven't already. And you see, my daughter's been over. I haven't been camping now the last week. I was to go, and then that got cancelled, but it doesn't matter. So I'll be back out. My daughter's going on holidays in a couple of days, so then I'm free. So I'll be back out then. God knows where I'm going to go. Okay, chat soon, and thanks everybody again for watching. Love and peace. Bye.